Hey guys, so I'm back now again to share to you the newest update from the Run Mobile the Masterclass. So just go here on their page, then check their newest post, which is this one. As you can see here, 2025 Year of the Snake Supporters Appreciation Event. Meaning, this is an exclusive event where you only need to donate D-points in the D-Mall. So, meaning yung D-points na i-donate nyo, syempre, mapapakinabangan nyo when you get to donate. You can still use your donation points for buying grocery, etc., etc. So, besides, you can still get this exclusive weapon. So, as you can see, there are weapons here that you can get, but there is a minimum requirement of D points to get these weapons. So, what are those? I mean, how many D points you can get? I mean, you need to donate. So here you can see contribute at least 1,000 D points. So 1,000 D points is equivalent to 1,000 PHP or 1,000 pesos. So meaning it's up to you if you can use it right away, the D points, or not. But as long as it is covered within January 20 to January 30, then you will be able to receive this weapon. So I don't think this weapon are like plus, like yung parang iilaw siya kapag na plus 7 or plus 9. Pero as you can see here sa latest update here, this is the same for their newest weapon costume. So ito yung bow. So meaning if your bow is plus 7, your weapon is plus 7, then iilaw siya. So, ito pa lang siguro yung costume na kapag sinuot nyo is iilaw siya kapag may apps yung weapons nyo. So, yun lang guys. As of now, we can't see players wearing this bow, gauntlet, sword, and spear. But, maybe around January 31 or February 1 onwards, makakita tayo ng mga mamaw na nagsuot nito. Kasi nga, naka almost 1K sila. So, I'm not a big fan of collecting costumes like this one or the weapon unless these are like sobrang trip ko. Kasi, as you can see in my previous games, I do love to collect more on vehicles or mounts like the Legend of Neverland. So yon yung previous game ko na nag-quit na ako. So yon, maybe next time I'm going to try getting this. But as of now, these guys, if you like these weapons, this is the best time to donate your D points now. Okay, today is January 29 and you still have today and until tomorrow to donate your D points. Alright, so yun lang guys, and see you in game and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye.